Hey there, and welcome back to Say It Right. Today we're tackling a fancy French phrase that's often mispronounced. Faux pas. So, how do you say it? Here's the correct pronunciation. Faux pas. Let's break it down step by step. The first part is faux, which rhymes with go. And the second part is pas, which sounds like pa in papa. Now say it with me, faux pas. One more time, faux pas. Great job. So, what does faux pas mean? Refers to a social mistake or an embarrassing act, especially in formal settings. Did you know? Faux pas comes from French, where faux means false or wrong, and pas means step. So it literally means false step, like stepping in the wrong direction in social situations. Here's a quick tip. Even though it ends in X and S, you don't pronounce them. It's just faux pas, not fox pas. Now that you know how to pronounce faux pas, you can use it with confidence, whether you're avoiding one or just talking about funny social mishaps. Thanks for joining me today on Say It Right. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and share it with someone who might need a little help with their pronunciation. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care!